In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform in Z Legends 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some characters in Z Legends 3 can transform primarily into their super forms. So you will be able to acquire these characters and use them. The transformation will be automatic as soon as you have them unlocked. So what you have to do is go over to the shop and find the specific character that you would like to transform with. Once you hover over any character, you will have their base character, and by tapping on their icon repeatedly, you will be able to switch between the forms. So if a specific character has a transformation available, once you tap on their profile here, you will then be able to switch between the forms. So in this example, Goku has the Super Saiyan form. Once you have it selected, just make sure to purchase that alternative form. So you will choose the buy option at the left. Once you buy this transformation, it is now ready to use, and once you get inside of the game, you will see the transformation animation just like this, and you will be able to play with the transformed character. And of course, some of them will have multiple forms, different characters will have different transformations, and all that you have to do is select them and tap on their profile picture here. You will swap between the forms, and then you go ahead and purchase a specific one that you would like to use. Once you go into battle and you have this character selected, the transformation will take effect. You will see it play out like this, or you can skip this animation if you prefer. And you can always compare the combos of transformed characters if needed, but usually it should stay the same. You will see a difference in stats, so look at the left if you want to compare. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.